आता पळोवया गोंयच्यो बाकीच्यो कांय सरभोंवतणच्यो खबरो।
गोवा पंचायत महिला शक्ती अभियानान संवसारीक जैव विविधताय दीस मनयलो।
Yeah, we have all assembled here to celebrate the Biodiversity Day. It's a Biodiversity Week, so we have all gathered here to create an awareness.
Today, Goa Panchayat Mahila Shakti Abhiyan is observing the Goa Biodiversity Day. And today, most of these members are Sarpanchas and ZP members who are on the biodiversity committees. And they gave very valuable presentations. And today we showed the importance of all organic homemade items which were on display.
आज हो दीस मनयता आसतना प्रत्येकटान आमची हे उद्देश घेवन वचपा जाय की आमी एक दीस अशे 5 तरी प्लांट लायतली प्रत्येक जाग्यार आपल्या जाग्यार।
नावेलेचो आमदार लुईजनान साळ न्हंयतल्या प्रदूषणाचेर हुस्को उक्तायला।
This river as if it is a gutter and throwing all that into this has to be stopped. Today I thank the Water Resource Department because they have started this work, but I must caution them. This work has started a little late. Now the rains will come and they will have to stop it. And the contractor will just take the money without doing the work. But anyhow, as far as this river tributary is concerned, the earlier work was done 3-4 years back. That is from Dikarpal to Round Fond, and from this point you can see it was done, Chakni Bandh it was done. But if you see the side, the dirt is still there. So there is no difference between what is not done and what is done. So next year when we come, we will find that even this place again back to is dirty this. So we have to find out the source and we have to stop it at the source, the pollution and this degradation of our rivers and of our ecology and of our environment.
गोंयांत म्हयन्या 2 म्हयन्यांनी NRI आयुक्त बदलता म्हूण सिमेन असोसिएशन बेजार कोणाक तरी एकल्याकूच खंय पूर्ण वेळ आयुक्त म्हूण नेमचो।
See, what I would request the government of Goa, see, last 1 year from 17 to 18 now, this is the 6th NRI director we have here, 6th director. It is impossible to work like this with every 2 months director changing. NRI director is a very important for the seafarers and for the NRIs. They should consider this office as a very important. Today the mining is already gone. Mining director you don't need, where they give importance. Tourism director, off-season tourism, but seafarers and NRI they need to protect. So I request the government not to shuffle the NRI director just like anything.
लेकिन हम लोगों को एक अगर हर सीमेंट को फैमिली मेडिकल स्कीम मिला तो वो मेडिकल कंपनी के साथ जितना भी हॉस्पिटल टाई अप है उसको कैशलेस इंश्योरेंस होना चाहिए।
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रोडक्ट।
मडगांवच्या फामाद पुरुमेताच्या फेस्ताक हेके खंय खाऱ्याक तितलो डिमांड ना, गिरायकूच ना। कोण म्हणटा फेस्त बेगीन आयलें, कोण म्हणटा लोकांच्या बोल्सांनी पयशे खेळना, कोण म्हणटा चडशे लोक खारें खायनात आनी कोण आनी कितें सांगता। खाऱ्याक गिरायक ना हें मात खरें।
व्यापार आलो तो आमगे तेसो अशें गिराक ना आमकां। आतां चोया हे 200 गिराक जात जाल्यार आमी हॅपी, गिराक ना जाल्यार मागीर आमी पयशे लोकांक दिवपा जाय न्हू, आमी दुसऱ्या कडेन घेवन निघतात।
कितें जावना कितें म्हणून
म्हणजे लोकांक म्हारग लागता आनी लोकांक पयशे बी ना। मोदी येयला न्हू फेस्त ताका लागून ते गिराक ना पयलीं भाशेन गिराक ना, ह्या वर्सा सारकें गिराक ना। करपाचें गिराक ना जाल्यार माटवा पयशे 1000 रुपया बोटाय विसो बोटली इतले म्हारगाय कितें जाली।
एंड ऑफ सारकें लोकांक पेमेंट पडना। सेकेंड वाढले अजून पावसा पयले येयलो न्हय बेगीन येयला फेस्त
ओके दिसता
गिरायक खबर ना हारी हाय नाय खबर ना आमकां गिरायक ना आमी म्हारग हाडलोले
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.